Grasping the concept of probability. Introduction. Probability is a fundamental concept in statistics that measures the likelihood of an event occurring. It is a value between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates that the event will not happen, and 1 indicates that the event is certain to happen. Understanding events. An event refers to the outcome of an experiment or a situation. Probability is concerned with the outcomes of events. For example, flipping a coin has two possible outcomes or events, heads or tails. The probability scale. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1. If an event is impossible, its probability is 0. If an event is certain, its probability is 1. Most events fall somewhere in between. Calculating probability. The probability of an event is calculated as the number of ways the event can occur divided by the total number of outcomes. For example, the probability of rolling a 3 on a 6-sided die is 1. One way to roll a 3, divided by 6 possible outcomes, which equals 1/6 or approximately 0.167. Independent and dependent events. In probability, events can be independent or dependent. Independent events do not affect each other's probabilities. For example, flipping a coin twice are independent events because the outcome of the first flip does not affect the outcome of the second flip. Dependent events, on the other hand, are affected by previous events. For example, drawing cards from a deck without replacement are dependent events because the outcome of the first draw affects the outcome of subsequent draws. Conditional probability. Conditional probability is the probability of an event given that another event has occurred. For example, the probability of drawing an ace from a deck of cards, given that a king has already been drawn, is calculated differently than the probability of drawing an ace from a full deck of cards. Conclusion. Understanding probability involves grasping these fundamental concepts and learning how to calculate probabilities in different situations. It's a crucial part of statistics and a valuable tool for making predictions and informed decisions.